Have you ever wondered how some of the simplest foods hiding in your kitchen could hold the power to combat nail fungus? Or how yogurt, a creamy delight, could play a role in the fight against this stubborn infection? Well, today, we're about to unravel the mysteries of these everyday foods. Join us on this journey as we explore 6 surprising foods, each with its unique ability to help your feet combat nail fungus naturally. From the spicy secrets of garlic to the probiotic wonders of yogurt, we'll dive deep into the science behind these remedies and discover how they can transform your nail health. So, let's get started on this fascinating culinary adventure. Garlic, a staple in many kitchens, offers more than just flavor to your dishes. It contains a powerful compound called allicin, known for its anti-fungal properties. Studies have shown that allicin can inhibit the growth of fungi, making it a natural ally in the fight against nail fungus. Not only does garlic combat fungus, but it also supports your overall health. It can help lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood pressure, and boost your immune system. So, adding garlic to your meals not only enhances flavor, but also contributes to your well-being. Yogurt. Yogurt is a delicious and nutritious food that can help in the battle against nail fungus. It's rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for a robust immune system. When your immune system is strong, it's better equipped to fend off fungal infections. Including yogurt in your diet can help maintain the balance of good bacteria in your gut, ultimately aiding in the prevention of nail fungus and other infections. Green tea. Green tea, a beverage loved by many, contains a group of antioxidants known as catechins. These catechins have been found to possess strong antifungal properties. Regular consumption of green tea can boost your body's ability to combat fungal infections like nail fungus. Additionally, green tea is packed with other health benefits. It's known to improve metabolism, aid in weight management, and promote healthy skin. So, sipping on a cup of green tea not only helps your feet, but benefits your overall well-being. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a versatile and natural remedy that has gained popularity for its antifungal properties. It contains compounds like caprylic acid and lauric acid, which can effectively combat nail fungus when applied topically. Applying coconut oil to the affected nails can help moisturize and create a barrier against fungal growth. This simple yet effective remedy is a favorite among those seeking a natural solution to nail fungus. Turmeric, known for its vibrant golden color, contains an active compound called curcumin. Curcumin is celebrated for its potent antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. Adding turmeric to your diet can provide your body with the support it needs to fight nail fungus. Beyond its antifungal abilities, turmeric is also known to reduce inflammation, alleviate joint pain, and support digestive health. So, incorporating turmeric into your cooking or taking it as a supplement can be a smart choice for overall well-being. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are bursting with vitamin C, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining a strong immune system. A robust immune system is your body's first line of defense against fungal infections, including nail fungus. Vitamin C not only boosts immunity, but also promotes healthy skin, which is vital in the context of nail fungus. Consuming citrus fruits regularly can help ensure that you get an adequate dose of this essential vitamin. So there you have it, the top 6 foods that can help your feet fight nail fungus naturally. From the antifungal properties of garlic and coconut oil to the immune-boosting benefits of yogurt and citrus fruits, these foods can make a significant difference in your battle against nail fungus. Remember, a balanced diet rich in these foods, along with good foot hygiene, can go a long way in preventing and addressing nail fungus. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. If you have any questions or personal experiences to share, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.